Hey, good people, welcome back to Freedom with Frida. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Fridah Nguku, and this is the best space for you. Now, I am bringing you a dining table that we did a transformation on. Sometimes we buy things when we have a different theme color in our houses, or because at that point is what pleases the eye. But as we grow up, as we continue living, we change our minds. Probably we want to change the theme of the house, or probably we want to have different colors. Or maybe what used to please us 5 years ago is not what is pleasing you right now. You can always change that with the contact paper. So we are going to change this table and the chairs too with the contact paper. And this is actually the process. So the client wanted a white with a touch of black just from a distance contact paper, and this is what we are installing. So it's brilliant white, so it's going to really speak up. It's just going to wow you. It's going to stand out. And also we're changing on the seats. That's what we are doing right now to ensure that the seats are matching with the chairs, with the table, sorry. So we are transforming the entire thing because the theme of the house is changing to that touch of black and white, and you can tell there's a whole new transformation. Look at that. Everything changed. Smooth, easy to clean, beautiful, matching the colors that you have in the house. Remember, we have different colors of contact papers. We have brown, we have black, and we have also different touch. We have the glossy contact paper, and we also have the matte contact paper. I have done quite many videos of contact paper on kitchen, bathrooms, all those. You can check that in the link on the description box. And also, remember, this contact paper is heat resistant, it's water resistant. So it can be put in bathroom, it can be put in kitchen, it can be put on top of your countertops, it can be put in so many other areas. So this site is the same site as the previous video. So I just thought, guys, I should show you how the entire thing was looking. We transformed the kitchen so that it can also match with the dining table and any other part of the living room. And this house to the colors and the theme that they wanted. In case you're interested in any of our services, kindly get in touch with us on 0712 027 807, and this could be your kitchen or this could be your dining table. Follow our social media handles at Joy Mac Wallpapers and Decor. Then TikTok is Fridah Joy Mac Wallpapers. Thank you and enjoy this transformation. See you in my next video.